but I don't think it's going to help any. My brand new car. There's nowhere to go. We're kind of just trapped. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the bridge or the dam. Look at the flooding coming in over the water. Absolutely crazy. Wow, this is absolutely nuts. I can't believe it. This is in Arizona. The hail is absolutely amazing. It's deafening in here. Oh. I think right behind us is the visitor center to the Hayden Dam, and right in front of us is the power plant. The water is right behind us. The arc of the dam is behind us. So in front of us is the dry side of the dam, and you can see all the power plants and everything, all the power lines, transformers and everything are across the street. But there's not a damn thing to hide under. Few people tried to get under this tree, but I don't think it saved us at all. Wow. Look at these people trying to drive through this crap. Look at that. Look at that. That is all mud, and that is a flash flood. I've never seen anything like this. Look at these cars trying to drive through this garbage. It is taking over this park at the visitor center. There's lightning, there's hail, there's huge amounts of rain. I just stopped for gas like 10 minutes ago. But I don't know if our cars are going to stay here. This is just taking over. Look at this. You got the dam behind us. And I think this tree is giving us some support, but this is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. I tried to move my car in order to try to get out of the main, but I don't think this tree helped. I'm sure that this car has been totally destroyed from hail. I'm not even sure if it has 1,000 miles on it, but yet, being a brand new car, so, but wow. Look at this. This is absolutely insane. This must be all the rainwater from the top of the mountains. Because this is not just from us. This is definitely coming from elsewhere. You can see it. You can see people driving through this, and it's got to be a foot thick. But it's not just water. You can tell it is mud. It is slurry. I'm going to try to move my car away from this mud.